This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a 3-cup sauce, followed by the classic 3-cup chicken. Let's start with the aromatics for the 3-cup sauce. Slice up 4 slices of ginger. Three shallots. And 6 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. In a bowl, mix together 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 200 ml of rice wine, 120 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar. The amount of sauce I'm making here is good for 1 whole chicken, but feel free to double or triple the amount and store the extra sauce in the fridge for a few months. Over medium heat, fry the ginger, shallots and garlic till it's fragrant. Now, add in the bowl of seasoning. Bring this to a boil and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is your 3-cup sauce. Now, to make the 3-cup chicken. I have here half a chicken that's been chopped up into pieces. This is about 600 grams. You will also need some basil leaves and 1 or 2 red chillies. Slice up the chillies. You can increase the chili heat level by using the hotter bird's eye chillies, or leave the seeds in when you're cooking. You can also reduce the heat of the chillies by removing the seeds or using less chillies. In a pan over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the chicken till it turns white. Add the chillies and half of the 3-cup sauce. But I'm not using the chillies today because it's a bit too spicy for my kids. Cover and simmer till the chicken is done and there's some sauce left at the bottom of the pan. Top the chicken with the basil leaves before serving. This is how you make 3-cup sauce and 3-cup chicken.